Alright, so this question is minimum value to get positive step-by-step sum. So given an integer array, and then you want to start with the initial positive value, which is called start value, and you want to return the minimum positive value such that the step-by-step sum is never less than 1. So yeah, so let's look at this. So if we can actually notice, like one of the solutions is actually like you traverse an array. When you traverse an array, you add every single num together to find out the mean value. So we need to target the mean value. So what does this mean? So let's traverse. So -3 is a mean value for now, right? Alright, +2, so this becomes -1, right? -1 minus 3 should be -4, so I update my mean to -4. -4 plus 4 is actually 0. And 0 plus 2 is actually 2. So the mean is -4, right? So we need to start at the positive, the minimum positive value. So we need to have this number greater than 1, right? So basically we take this value, we negate the minimum value. So -4 is going to be absolute list, and then +1, something like this, right? So this will be definitely the minimum value, because when you traverse, you get this value at some point. So we need to handle -4 at some point. So if the step-by-step sum is never less than 1, you add 1, and then you completely solve the problem, right? So this is a trick. So let's start coding. So in total equal to 0, and then mean equal to 0 as well. And then for each nums, and then total is just plus equal to num, and the mean will just keep find out who is the minimum based on myself or the total. So when I want to return, I return a -1 plus 1. I mean negative mean plus 1, right? That mean is definitely negative, right? So this will be it, right? Straightforward, and this is a math, like the math algorithm behind it. So if you have questions, leave a comment. But time and space is also straightforward. Time is all of them. Space is constant. Alright, see you later. Bye.